Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan, and today we are going to be exploring the fundamental concepts of mass and weight, their differences, and how they are measured. We will also examine their behavior in different gravitational environments. Mass versus weight. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. It is a measure of inertia resisting changes in motion. Weight is the gravitational force acting on an object. It is calculated as mass times acceleration due to gravity, which can be written as W is equal to mg. Let's understand the formula. Weight is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, which is W is equal to mg. On Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is approximately 9.8 meter per second square. And in Newton's second law, the formula is a special case of Newton's second law of motion, which is equal to force is equal to mass multiply acceleration. Measuring force and mass. On the spring scale, it measures force by the extension of a spring. A pointer indicates the reading on a scale. And in a force sensor, it uses electronic gauge for high accuracy. It provides digital values or graphs of force. Mass and weight in different gravities. Weight changes with gravitational force. It is not constant across different celestial bodies. Mass remains unchanged regardless of location. It is an intrinsic property of an object. On the moon, the weight is about 1 by 6th of Earth. However, it stays the same. Now, if we want to convert weight to mass, for example, we have W is equal to mg, then the formula of mass will be W is divided by g. Weighing machines are calibrated to display mass in kilograms, not weight in newtons. An example is of a school bag. The given data is 8 kg mass. The gravity is 9.8 meter per second square on the earth, and then gravity on the moon is 1.625 meter per second square. So if we want to calculate weight on the earth, we will multiply 8 with 9.8 meter per second square, which results to 78.4 Newton. But if we want to find the weight on the moon, we will have to multiply 8 with the gravity of the moon, which results to 13 Newton. The key takeaways from this chapter are that mass is constant. It is an intrinsic property unchanging with location. Weight varies. It depends on gravitational force which changes with location. And the formula of W is equal to mg helps us to calculate weight and even convert it to mass. And we also learned that lower gravity makes objects feel lighter, but mass will remain the same. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thank you.